Velocity again, please. Lead. Super. Good evening, Oxygen. Good evening, Sir Maximo. Okay, so house plate number 2. Pero wala natapos ang plate number 2. Nakatapos. Kasi kami nakatapos sa plate number 1. Almost done. Sino yung mga nakatapos sa plate number 2? Okay. Sige, wala na natin yung plate number 2 once we are done with this calculation. Just to give a review, check out some measuring tools that we discussed in the previous days. Okay? Determine what is this? Measure okay, how someone then give us a quick explanation. Amen. What is this? What about this? Okay, ruler. What's the other term we use now for ruler? We all know that rulers, old ruler, ever since you were elementary in high school, but now that you've learned mechanical drafting, we have changed the name or what we call this tool. Yes, putul. And why do we call it putul? Anyone? Other hands? Yes. Ano ba? Okay. Sige. Ano ba? Why do we call it putul? Yes, Kathy. They will answer. One foot, good. One foot is equal to what? 12 inches. Okay, so 12 inches is equivalent to almost 1 meter. Okay, so hindi siya saktong 12 inches kasi meron siyang mga blank space and ruler. So you always start with the first line to measure inches. Okay, so we use ruler or put the measurement foot when we nilagay natin ng mga sinusukat bayan foot. Pwede natin sukatin yung layo nito mula bahay sa kanto na yan na nandun, pero where do we use foot? Feet. Yes. Yes. Height, very good. When we measure our height, we use foot. Okay, so sukatin sa limit nyo. Tayo ka, tapos isa-isa yung bilangan na foot. Kung makailan ruler ka, then multiply by 300. Okay, so next, I have this kind of triangle. It has two different angles. We both have 30 degrees and 60 degrees. What do you call this? One, raise your hand. What do you call this triangle? Yes, right angle, correct, but we have a different term for this. Yes? 30 by 60. Sabi ko lang because that's 30 by 60, 30 degrees and 60 degrees. Equivalent to what? Pag inad nyo, ano ilalabas? 90 degrees. Okay? Then we have, what's this? Anyone? What's your hand? Gonzales. 46? 40 missing 5 degrees, yes. Actually, we only call it 45, but that's correct. 45 and 45. It has 45 degrees. The equivalent niya is 45 plus 45, 90 degrees. Always 90 degrees. So, ito tawag nila, right angle. Okay. Do you have any questions sa manukat natin? That, then we can proceed the use of hand tools and equipment. Okay. This is the first paragraph. Anyone? Mabasa na lang ha? Yes. Veronica. Okay. Veronica. Okay. So before we learn any software, what are the factors that aspiring entrepreneurs use? Ano ba yung mga trabaho na nagre-require that you learn mechanical drafting? Tingin niya. Yes. Architect, good. So that's one. Ano ba? Engineering, okay. Yes, ano ba? Yes. Okay, interior designer or probably interior designer, okay. Ano ba? Yes. Fine arts. Okay, good. Sige, pwede. Yes. Fashion designer, yes. Interior designer, fashion designer, whatever. As long as it includes designing, measuring, whatever design you want to learn or take advantage of your entrepreneur, then you have to learn this. Okay? May gusto mo maging architect dito? Wala! Engineer! Engineer, hindi engineer. Ay, engineer, wala gusto engineer. Gusto mo engineer? So, galing sa math. Okay? Fashion designer, ayan. Sino dito mga nag-design ng mga kamarang sa itablado? Wala rin, nangyayari nyo naman. Kung gusto nyo maging? Konti lang. Kasi di ayaw mo maging ano, kung dito mo rin. Wala rin nakita na mahirap na. Ayan. Okay, so let's discover the tools. Okay, we have the first activity. Okay, so arrange the scrambled letters to form a word to answer the statement above. Okay. Zoom, sir. So, sabi dyan, type of pencils when extreme accuracy is required. May makakasagot ba? Yes. Are you sure? Okay, that is correct. So, hard pencils, guys. So, this one is an example of a hard pencil. We have, pero dito isang set na lapis. Nasa isang set na lapis. Can I borrow so that the classmate can see? Thank you so much. Okay. So, one famous brand na madalas nababanggit when you buy pencil is Staedtler. Okay. Yung school time in the blue. Ano yan? Staedtler. Hindi Staedtler ha. Staedtler is a famous company used on making drawing products or architectural products. Okay, this is an example of a hard pencil. Meron siyang iba't ibang rank. Okay, what we commonly use for this klase natin is what we call, anong level ito? HB. Okay, it's the equivalent of number 2 Mongol pencil. Okay, may naka-Staedtler ba sa inyo? Wala, hindi ko nabuhin sa inyo. Yung Staedtler, pag ano, hindi siya Staedtler, pero ba't yung kulay niya? Thank you so much. This one is Staedtler. Okay. Hindi nyo na siya napapansin kasi pag pupunta kayo ng National Bookstore, pupunta kayo sa bilihan ng ballpen, tapos sa susunod kayo sa papel ng number ninyo. Pero, ito yung kapag pabili sa inyo, architect kayo, or katawang kayo ng drawing class, pag ito ng college, pabibili sa inyo is actually, most of the time is Staedtler. Okay? So this are, may nawawala siya, ito ang lapis. So this is what we call a hard pencil. So meron tayong from 8B to 5H. Pinaka-light is yung H. Okay, pinaka-dark is yung may B. Yung pinaka-pantay is HB. Okay, so we usually use the 8B from drawing shadows, eyelashes, eyeballs, retinas, yun yung mga gagawin. Pag gumagawa tayo ng mga backdrop or guidelines, we use the 5H. Pinaka-light na klase ng lapis. So, it's a very good set. Nag-drawing ka ba talaga? Hindi ka ito. Pero meron isang set na drawing pen. If I were you, you take advantage of those program. Meron tayo sa mga mag-drawing. You start with the eye, tapos nose, kalahati ng mukha. Then, ano ito ang drawing na mismong finance. Okay? Number 2. Okay, number 2, use to clean the dirt of the drawing. Ano na, yes? Eraser. Okay. So, yung eraser, meron tayong dalawang class. Meron tayong natin na the gray and the white one. Okay? So, common is lang. Okay. Common mistake. Magic, no? Common mistake, guys. So, sinabi natin na yung dalawang kulay. Yung sinabi nyo ng ano, yung eraser na dalawa yung dulo. May gray, tsaka may this one is, naalala nyo, nung elementary kayo, yung eraser nyo yung mabango nyo, strawberry. But as time goes, naging high school kayo, you change your eraser to this. Okay? Iniisip nyo dati na yung kulay gray is para sa ballpen. Okay? Hindi siya totoo. Okay? What it usually do is just it flips off the paper, yung dirt. Ngayon kung yung drawing niya masyado madiin, then you can use the gray one. Ang mangyayari sa kanya is binubudbud niya yung papel. Unlike sa kulay white, it really, yes, remove the lead, the graphite lead that goes sa papel nito. Okay? So this one is used professionally. Kung gusto nyo na lang mga para din drawing ninyo, pwede ko ninyo hindi na nabapoy. Then you can invest in this kind of eraser. Okay? Next, number 3. Other hands, please. Yes. Divider. Okay. So, hindi na namin divider. Instrument used for masculine measurement. Okay. Hindi na uso yung for example. Gusto ko atin mo kung na nakahaba yung na mesa. So, atin yung guys yan. Tapos, nilipat ka sa kabila. Si Mr. Bill na gumagawa na doon. Pero, mapag-drawing na for example, as mesa na TV, you use divider, transfer it on your paper para maayos na sukat ng yan. Ng inyong legs. Okay? Okay. Number 4. So let's start. For general purpose in drawing. Yes. 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 Medium pencil. Okay? General purpose. Number 2 Mongol. Okay, yan yun. Number 2 Mongol. Okay. And this is the last one. Wala pa. It's to determine gradations of the degrees. Measuring arcs, angles, and circles. Yes, wala ka. Protracto. Okay, hindi yan. Drawing of 1. Talaga namin for angles. Okay. Many questions, tools? Are you sure? Yes. Napakainit ba? Yes. Malamig. Hindi na namin ganyan. Wala daw. Can you please read what is it? Ano? Other hands. Yes. Pencil there. Arati, zoom in. Zoom in. Hindi mo lang yung sa class niyo.
Ako hindi pwede gagalaw. Gagalaw.
Okay, so as said there, it's basic, really basic drafting tools. Hindi nyo din makikita yung, if you ever wonder, natin na ba kayo ng blueprint? Blueprint is like a plan. A big paper na kulay blue, tapos nandun yung pinaka-plano ng bahay from wirings, to groundbreaking, electric installation, natin nandun. Okay? Makikita nyo yung sulat doon, napakaganda para printed. Hindi talaga sulat na kamay lang, pero sila sinusulat para pattern. Nakita na kayo ruler, tapos may mga letra. Ganun yung ginagamit doon. Okay? Hindi talaga ganun na yung sulat nila. Number 1, drawing paper. Can you please read? Nasa dulo. Toys. Pakibasa po. Yes, pakibasa. Stand up. Lapit ka po. Try mo po mag-relax sa class. Yes. Okay. The pressure applied on the pencil. Also,
Jen.
done. So ano ba yung kami natin pang drawing dito sa class natin? Post paper. Kasi pag sinabi natin is just not true, usually, hindi siya basta masala kung ano kapag malinis mo na lang. Especially pag bago ka sa ilapis mo, subukan mo sa pad 6. Kapag nilagyan mo na lang tapos sinilaw siya. It will grow. Hindi siya last. So also paper is one of the most common. Hindi naman yung pag-adapsi ng sketch pad. That's very expensive. And like the ones sa paper, those lang.
Ang ina mo, nagalaw. Ito ko eh.
Masking tape.
Galaw mo.
Yes. Masking tape. Ipasok ko. So, wala po tayo nakakabasa na ako ang pagkakasal.
Sabi mo kasi kung alay mo.
Pinasan. Fastening. Okay. So we use masking tape para secure yung Bosco papers na lamesa nyo ng drawing. Ano mangyayari kapag scotch tape yung ginamit nyo? Kung nagkakaroon siya ng parang residue, naiiwan yung parang kapirasong papel, yung pinakabalat ng papel doon sa scotch tape. And like masking tape, plus it's really easy to there. Hindi mo kailangan ng gunting, kamay lang, kulit mo yung Bosco paper. Okay? Pencil sharpener, that we did this, okay? Pencil should not to be sharpened whenever they show sign of dullness. Okay? Ayun, you grew up very, very hardly on sharpening your pencils. A pencil should always be sharp. This sharp. Okay? Pag naman hindi na siya magkaming, tasahan nyo na. Okay, manginayang kasi kapag nagdadala yung lapis nila nagsulat kayo, nagkakaroon silang parang shadow. Okay, so make sure that your pencil is really sharp. You don't have to buy or bring the other pencil sharpener. This one is used for office work. Sa mga opisina, yan yung nakakita lang. Ito lang ko may ganyan eh. So, nalagay ko siya. Yun yung siya. Okay, sir. Ganda lang, right? Ganda lang. Okay, so yung piso na nakakaiari nila. Any question sa sharpener? Kaya na kayo magkataas na lapis? Okay, but we have to this. Okay? It's not sharp anymore, it's not pointy anymore. Tasahan nyo na. Eraser ulit, may nabasa lang na So we have types of drawing pencil, guys. So first we have hard pencils used where slim atoms is required. Then yung H.
Galaw.
From 1H to 7H to 8H, then yung gamit natin, hard pencil. Medium pencil are used for general purpose. Ayan, HB or number 2 na Mongol pencil. Soft pencil, ayan yung kulay itim, yung malalaki talaga yung B. Okay? Any question sa lapis? So para makakita ninyo, salamat sa nadala ng sample. Okay. Soft to hard. Okay, pag nakita nyo yung lapis is napakataba ng graphite niya. Napakalaki ng pinaka-graphite niya. Graphite is the one used para makapagsulat. Okay? Malakapakapal lang yung graphite niya. Siyempre, malamang
O,
niya.
wala ka sa
Okay? Tapos yung pinaka-mapulis na yung pinaka-maliit na o hindi siya pinaka-dark na graphite. Then, it's soft pencil. Okay? I mean hard pencil. Soft to hard. Kailan question sa lapis? Wala. Good. Okay. Nakita mo yung T-square? Yan, hindi nalagay sa likod lang. Pwede mo yun. When I was a kid, I always play with this. I can remember. Pinag-espada ko yan. Yung gamit na kapatid kong isa is yung walis tambo. Yan yung gamit ko. Tapos sa bali ko. Okay, parang tatlong araw ko pinakaroon na ko ng stuff. Dahil mahal pala ang T-square, so I will not require you to use that. It's used to draw horizontal line. Nakikita niyo yung pinaka-head niya, ito. Gagawin yan, kasabit mo dito sa lamesa, hindi na gagalaw. T-square. Magalaw mo na sa baba. Okay, just draw horizontal line. Okay, T-square. Any questions, T-square? Happy ka lang na ngayon, di ba? Huwag niyo ba mamalo, malakas na yung tawag niya. Kaya ka sa akin. So yan, meron tayo ng klase. Fixed head. The head is fastened to the blade. Okay? Ibig sabihin, tinatanggal yung pinaka nasa ibabaw niya. Movable head or adjustable head, gagalaw sa baba. And detachable, yan yung pinaka mahal. Natatanggal siya. Okay? Ano sikat na brand na bilhin? Pwede bilhin sa T-square. Alam mo yung dekalidad tsaka maganda yung sasagot siya bibili. Alam mo brand? Stapler din. Okay, yung tas natin, T-square. Kulay blue din. Okay? Triangle. Okay, triangle. Okay, joke lang. We have a three-sided ruler. Okay. Yung winders, guys, kung siya gagamitin pang halutan, it's really sharp. Meron po sila na halo, kumpiskayin natin yung triangle. Okay, so it's really sharp. So we have 35-60 and 45 degrees. Triangle. Okay. So, ano to pa nila? 90. Ito yun, no? Right angle. Okay. Question, alam niyo na to? Okay. Compass, pakibasa naman po ng malakas. Yes, Vice President.
Mine. This drawing instrument is used to draw the marks and the column. It is used just in the way to be modified. It is composed of 1 to 10 and the needle and diagonally held together in the handle. This drawing instrument can be used for both penciling and inking.
Okay. Penciling and inking, yung sinabing inking gamit na ball pen. Hindi sinabi mo kakalato kayo. Okay? Hindi yun ha? So penciling and inking, so again, we use pencil and ball pencil, ballpoint pencil. Okay? Next. Divider. Ayan. So it is a drawing instrument used when transferring measurement. Okay? Kung wala na ng ruler, ililipat mo siya or hindi siya masusukat. Ano ba yung sukatin dyan? Tingin nyo. Ano ba yung sukatin sa divider para yung hindi man gawin ng ruler? Okay, anyone? I will give last points sa mga saan ginagamit ko nung ng divider? Saan ginagamit? Kasi if you're going to measure flat surfaces, pwede mong gamitin naman yung ruler na lang or triangle kasi may inches na sa table naman yun. Ha? Kung bigyan isang bagay ng circle sa sukatin. Radius lang ano? Anong bagay? Anyone? Ha? Pwede mo gamitin ng ruler yan. Pwede mo siya gamitin ng ruler. Tag mo lang dyan o kaya mahabang triangle or T-square. Pwede mo nung dyan? Yes. Okay, good. You can make your circumferences. And when po sa ibabaw, ano nila nasasabi na yung isang toothpaste nilos o ulo medya, di ba yung mga kapintero? They use divider. May mga ibig yan, ibig nila. Tapos ano nila kung na ngayon yung pinaka-circumference ng isang gamit. Maliwanag? Ayun yung parang gamit nasa ano pa? Ibig. Okay. Ruler. Okay, we have that now. Protractor. Pag guys, hindi yan pang-drawing ng bilog, ginagawa nyo, hindi yan pang-drawing ng bilog. Semicircular instrument for an improvement under 80 parts. So kapag isang bilog, ilang degrees? 360. Okay, so kalahati na bilog na siya. 180. Okay. It has,
Hindi makakasama.
that's even measurement ng degrees, ng angle. Okay? Siyempre, nasa gitna, no? 90 kasi yun yung right angle. Liwanag? Question sa mga factor? None? Are you sure? Okay. Okay, last activity before we proceed on creating the cake. I will read the direction. Please listen. There are 12 different drafting materials and tools and drawing instruments that can be found in the puzzle. Okay? Identify at least 10. Meron pa identify yung 12, di ba ganda? Okay? It can be vertical, horizontal, backward, upward, or downward. Any question? None? Let's start. I will call kung sino yung mga maghahanap. Okay? Yes, madali lang siya, di ba? Kung sa maliit, yun lang tayo, zoom lang. Ay, nawala.
Ito ko may...
Zoom ako pa natin. Okay, kita nyo na? Okay pa isa-isa, sige, ayan. Kita nyo na? At yan? Yan.
Not yet.
Sabihin dalawa yan. Sabihin sa akin, kung scroll down na ako ha. May nabasa akong girl, hindi yun. Gagawin mo kasi lang kung nasaan, kaya let's find together. Yes, backwards. Ganon, forward, sideward, diagonal. Puto, ay hindi mo sa akin. Pare. May pare. O, ang hirap pa. Go, go. Lahat na makakita plus 1. Yes. Ha? Nasa pakituro. Lapit ka. Sino may whiteboard marker? Ayaw ko ano? Ang hirap ko na. Nakita mo lang, masking tape hanggang dito. Okay. O, 1. Ames, 1. Go. Ano po namin TV nyo? Meron na, yes! Pakitulong po. Yes! Ano yung last name? Bukasan, sharpener from... O nga no, matras. Yes, pinatras. Very good, good job. Meron pang 10. Ha? Wala pa ano. Iba naman. Pencil, will you please point out?